welcome back. Here we are. I'm so excited about this. Welcome to my new home. So today I'm gonna start with the best. I'm gonna start with the quickest, healthiest way of making pancakes. I'm telling you, I'm using this recipe for snack in the afternoon, for breakfast in the morning. You gonna want to repeat this so many times. These pancakes, you make them in less than 5 minutes, and I'm telling you, I have timed it. So let's start. These pancakes only have 3 ingredients. We have a banana, an egg, and 2 tablespoons of oats flour. Here we go. First ingredient, a banana. We're gonna smash the banana. Okay, once the banana is smashed, once the banana is mashed, we add our egg and we're gonna just mix this together. The third ingredient is 2 tablespoons of oats flour. Usually I don't buy oats flour, I always have oats in my house. So what I do, I use a blender and I just make some flour in 5 seconds. This recipe is the perfect recipe to make in the morning. Just throw some yogurt on top, some fruit, honey, and you have your best breakfast made. And here I have my flour. So I just mix these together. And now I add my flour. This is like the easiest, quickest recipe possible. I even feel like I'm not giving you much here, but you're gonna try it and I'm sure that you're gonna love it. Really well mixed. There's some bubbles on top, so the heat on. A teaspoon of your chosen oil. I'm using sunflower oil. Soon your pan is ready. Let's start. I like small pancakes, so I can put different toppings on each one. So here we are. One here. Here. One. In the meanwhile, we can start out with our toppings. So I'm making 3 different toppings. So I'm using one with banana and honey, one with yogurt and blueberries and some cinnamon on top, and a naughty one with bacon and crushed avocado. As you see, this is really quick, 20 to 30 seconds on each side. Careful, don't keep your heat too high. Plate. This recipe gives me more or less 6 small pancakes. So I would say 3 of the normal size if you prefer the big ones. So ready. So, I'm gonna use the same pan to get my bacon crispy. I'm gonna start with the other toppings. First one, banana and honey. Second one will be yogurt. I'm using my favorite yogurt. This is a fermented yogurt with some passion fruit on it. Some blueberries. Cinnamon on top. Time to turn my bacon around. White bacon smells so nice. It tastes so nice. And to have with my bacon, I want some crushed avocado. It doesn't need much because of the bacon. Adding my crushed avocado here. I'm ready. So let's get the fork. Obviously, I'm going to start with a savory one. Some of this bacon and some of this avocado. I don't really want to burn myself, but I can't wait. Busy now. See you next time.